During project planning, you and your team believed you did a great job of identifying risks. Now you would like to track risks at both the macro and the micro level. Based on how you identified risks, you are finding this tracking to be difficult. What input to identify risks may have prevented this? Pause the video now and select your answer. When I look at the question, I ask, what are the key words or phrases? I think the key words or phrases include both the macro and the micro level. So what do we mean by macro and micro? Macro means big picture, micro means detailed. Another key phrase, identify risk, what input, and then prevent it. I know the right answer needs to be an input to identify risks. I'm hoping I can eliminate one or more answers because they are not inputs to identify risks. When I look at the four choices, bad news, all four of these are inputs to identify risks. So that phrase is not going to help me. They're asking, what can I do so that I can track my risks at both the macro and the micro level, meaning track big picture and detailed. When I look at answer A, stakeholder register, a stakeholder register is a list of our stakeholders, hopefully prioritized. I don't think that's going to help me track risks, both macro and micro. The human resource plan, again, an input to identify risks, but with the human resource plan, I don't think it's going to help me track risks, macro and micro. Scope baseline, I believe, is the best answer. When I think about the scope baseline, I think about the approved scope statement, the work breakdown structure, and the work breakdown structure dictionary. I'm going to focus on the work breakdown structure. At the control account level, I could track my risks at a macro level. At the work package level, I could track my risks at a micro level. I'm thinking this is the best answer. Risk management plan is our methodology of how we're going to do risk management. Again, I'm thinking that's not the best answer. This is Aileen. I hope this sample question helped you. If you want to see 1,000 more sample questions similar to this, think about joining our membership area.